What's up, guys? We did it again. Actually, for the first time, we have net 44 units on a Sunday. Should have been 104. Should have been 140. Dude, holy shit. I'm going to take you through all the wins and losses like I always do here. The night after, I recap the day before, and I do it in a spreadsheet so that you guys can see my results. So if someone was on VIP and I was lying and I was scamming and making shit up, they could call me out in the comment sections. They could make a YouTube video, a TikTok exposing me. But it hasn't happened yet because I'm being honest and I'm showing you all the wins and losses. Right here, you will see a lot of red. And you probably don't know this unless you were on VIP. But Jerry Jeudy, we lost this play by 1 yard. So that play lost by 1 yard. Kyle Pitts got 33 yards, lost by 1 yard there. So Pitts and Jeudy, we lost by 1 yard. And I'll scroll through. We hit one better play, which was profitable, but we did only hit one. And real quick, I'll tell you guys, there's a lot of people that joined better through my affiliate link, and they're getting VIP, and they won one play. What you should do if you won that play is take some of the profit and hop on the full season. If you use promo code FUCKBO, which is short for FuckBoNix, you're going to get 75% off. And there's like 29 slots left. So you should claim one of the 29 slots because you're going to get all the prize picks and underdog, which you're about to see, are highly profitable. But my better is highly profitable too because we hit 2 plays for free. I gave out 6 plays for free. I hit 2 of them, 20x. So $600 in. Or $600 out, $4,000 in. So the free picks do cash, and the free pick yesterday on YouTube crushed it. So hopefully I'll get a lot of views today. This 4-man hits. A lot of people were saying, why did we take Mahomes and Kelsey under? There's your why. There's your reason right there. 3,600. A lot of losses here. This one was so close. This one right here, Christian Kirk, very close. I mean, these were close losses, really. Jordan Love, he got all his yards in the fourth quarter because they were down by like 4 possessions. That one should have hit right there. Stafford got hurt, or that one probably hits. Keep scrolling. Nico Collins, CJ Stroud. Fuck that one up. Kelsey over, so this was just a hedge. So we hit a bunch, and then we hit these 2 right here. And this one almost hit right here, too, for Sunday Night Football. But we hit 3 prize picks plays, which is insane because they're 10x, but we put 2 units to win 20 on them. And then I'll scroll through the better plays. Are these the better plays? So we hit 1 on better. And then we have this one pending. So if Goff, St. Brown, and Reynolds hit, that'll hit. And then we have this one pending. Same thing right here. And this one was 1 yard from Jeudy. So that was 1 yard. That was 1 yard from Pitts. So 2 more that lost by 1 fucking yard. Insane. But still, on the day, we made $880, $200 unit size. So that is 44 units of profit in 1 fucking day. On the season, we're up $12,480, which is 62 units, 62.2 units of profit. So boom, just like that, we are up massive in the NFL. We were down, we were negative in the NFL 2 weeks ago. If you stuck with me, you rode the plays, we just net over 50 units the last 2 Sundays in the NFL. Keep in mind, before I get to the free play, we hit our free play yesterday. These are 20x, so even if we lose today, we're still up big. The name of the game isn't to win every day. If I give you 1 play a day for a 30-day month, the goal is to win 2 of those times. So we could literally lose 28 days on these YouTube free picks, win 2 days, and make $1,200 on that month, right? If we go 2 for 30. We'll make $1,000. I don't know why I said $1,200. But yeah, so the name of the game isn't to win every day. I do long shots here. I don't do 2-man entries. I do 5-man entries. Right here, we have the Saturday Pass, $50. It gets you all my VIP for the week up until Saturday. So you're getting all access to all my plays on all apps through Saturday, and it ends Saturday night. If you want to hop on the full season, we have 23 slots left. This will sell out. by tomorrow morning. I haven't advertised it very much, so that's why there's 29 slots sitting there. If you hop on this, use promo code FUCKBO, and that will get you 75% off. Bo Nix ruined a 6-man entry for us and a 4-man entry because of a negative 4-yard pass. So that's where that promo code comes from. So today's pick, Monday's pick, we're going to go, this is not the right pick. This is last night's pick. This almost won today. This is not the right pick. Let me get you guys the right pick real quick. This is the right pick right here. Very simple play, very straightforward. We're taking both quarterbacks, their favorite receiver, their favorite tight end. We don't have St. Brown in here. I would say also I have other entries with Reynolds and St. Brown. So pick your poison with the Lions players. You could even go St. Brown, Reynolds, Laporta, and make it a 6-man entry for 30x. But Garoppolo and Adams, that's the obvious choice here. You have to get those two in there. This is 100 to win 2,000 here. If you were to take the same play on a sports book, it would pay $1,000. Pay like $1,050. So we're getting twice as much here. You can even see my account balance in the screenshot. Perfect. I'm glad that I did that. I didn't crop it because I started with, I actually looked it up. I started with 3,500. So I deposited 2,500 and then I deposited 1,000. So I was trying to get big money into this app, but I could only get 3,500 in. But I'm up to 13,800 now. So I'm up over 10 grand on Jake Paul's app. So Jake Paul is a multimillionaire worth tens of millions probably. And I just took 10 grand from the guy. So that feels good. And it feels good to help you guys take money too. And if you are on my VIP and you made over $1,000 yesterday, I want to hear from you. I want to interview you on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel got taken down and I'm fighting to get it back, honestly. I'm fighting to get it, well, I'm going to get it back, but I'm fighting to stay relevant in the meantime, right? I'll see if I can go to my studio. So we'll see. This is, or actually, no, I don't want to do that. I want to go to my old channel here. I miss it dearly. 7,300 views, 8,500 views. Fuck, bro. We're killing it. This is the backup channel right here. But I want to do an interview like this one. That's a dope video right there. 1,100 views. Y'all gotta watch that video. That's crazy. I did that before this season too, which is insane because this season's been crazy. So I want you guys to watch this video, turning 200 into 10,000 in 3 days. And I would love for somebody else to step up to the plate and do an interview with me because I want to share y'all's stories. I want to share how I'm actually helping people profit in this space. And a lot of people just make stuff up, but I don't make stuff up. I'm really helping people. And I want to showcase that in some interviews. So here's an interview with my boy Keith, back in Tennessee right now. And then Jacob. And then Howard Girl made 2,500. And then also right here and right here. So please, if you've made money with me, let's get you on the show. Let's get you on the YouTube channel for an interview. So that's all I've got, guys. Good luck this weekend. Actually, it's not the weekend. The weekend's over. We already won this weekend. Good luck this Monday, and I'll see you guys in the group chat, and I'll see you guys back on the main channel. Hopefully for Tuesday's video, we'll do it back on the main channel. So have a good day, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out.